Good morning, it is day 2 and I am getting ready to head out. Just need to stop by Target to grab some SD cards and I'll be good to go. It's day 2 and I am walking over to Target. Literally, the hotel's right there. Target's right here. I need to go buy a new SD card because the ones I have are full. Cool, this is it, we're good to go. All right, so new SD card is secured. I ran out of space basically filming all day yesterday. I went through 2 cards and I have 1 more card left, so I just decided to get another one as a backup so I don't run out of space. It's been a fun trip so far. Just walked over to Target. Literally across the street is the hotel, which is extremely nice. Like I said, it's been a fun trip so far. I met some amazing people yesterday. Definitely was a blast. Can't wait to come back out here. So gonna go back to the room, get my bags, hop in the Uber, and head out over to Evil Manufacturing out on La Habra. Meet up with Doug and hopefully get the truck today. Bumpers should be on, or we should actually be installing them today. It should look amazing. So I'll see you in a bit. Hey there, how you doing?
All right, and yourself?
Oh, I can't complain yet.
Not yet, it's too early to complain.
Exactly, and I don't have no one to hear me too, so.
There we go.
I think, yeah, we would have to go right and then right again. All right, brother, thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
You got it, have a good one, huh?
Oh, you too now, stay safe.
All right, you too.
And 5 stars on here. I am finally leaving Evil Manufacturing in La Habra. It's been an interesting day and a half, 2 days actually. I kind of expected to be home already, but things happen for a reason, I guess. So, like I said, just finished up. Bumpers are installed front and rear, and they look great. Way better than stock, in my opinion. It is now 7-11, and I have about a 6.5 hour drive home back to the Bay Area, which I'm not looking forward to, but I guess I'll just take my time getting home, no rush, since I don't work tomorrow. Filling up the beast. First fill up of the trip. And gas is pretty cheap actually, $3.79, so that's the cheapest I've seen so far here. It's kind of really expensive here in California. Gonna fill her up and I should be good to go until I reach Bend, I think. We'll see from there. Maybe I might need to put again when I get close, but almost there. About 3.5 hours or so. It's cold. I'm in shorts. I should go get some drinks. I think it's pretty funny how the highway goes through some little random town here.
After that shit. Yeah. When after the fire shit happened, my shit.
Just crossed state line into Oregon. Goodbye, California. Got my sleeping bag. I'm gonna lay this out and I'm gonna go to sleep. It's 5:30 in the morning. And I'm about like a minute away from Freespirit. Really tired. Kind of bummed out the campsite wasn't open. So yeah, I'm just bumming it in the parking lot somewhere. See you in the morning. It's 8 a.m. It's 19 degrees, and if you can see the camera shaking, it's because it's cold and I'm shivering. Just had about an hour and a half nap, or probably even less, in the back. And yeah, luckily I fit all the way through my truck, head to toe, pretty comfortable. And yeah, it's pretty cold. Gonna get dressed, grab some breakfast, and I should be heading over to Freespirit shortly.
You want to be right up in there, huh? Just get up in my grill.
It's all the way in there.
I feel like I mean, you're really right up in there.
It's a nice wide angle.
Like you're going right up my nose right now, because I got a schnauzer.
I can see the COVID just right in there.
You, brother, get up in it.
The money shot.
I got the vintage Freespirit on. Okay, are you ready? Okay, Tim Daker with Freespirit. Company started in 2014. I was fortunate enough to be around when the company launched. We actually started as a trailer company. We just had a little lightweight adventure trailer. We had a rooftop tent that was bolted to the top of it. And then over, I'd say like a 3-year period, we morphed into really launching a rooftop tent line, a couple of different lines. I handle a lot of the direct sales, direct communication with customers over the phone, over email, you know, people that come into our showroom. Help a little bit with some of the marketing, some of the product development. But that's really about it. I think we're excited that, you know, to be in the position that we're in. I think we were positioned well when all the COVID stuff happened. But it's just an exciting industry to be in. I mean, we're selling tents on your vehicle, which basically bring out the kid in you. So it kind of reminds you of when you were growing up and building your tree fort and all that good stuff. It's really a big brotherhood. I mean, we're all excited to be in this industry. There's a lot of fantastic companies out there. Tepui, CVT, we're fortunate to have another awesome company here in Bend. So from a consumer standpoint, consumers can come and visit Bend and go see 2 great rooftop tent companies on the same day. So pretty excited. One of the things that sets our products apart, we've got kind of a unique, innovative style as far as like our framing. We use an extruded aluminum framing system, so it makes the tent really lightweight. Kind of a different setup style. We don't use the spring rods to hold things open. Our tents are a little bit thicker because of it, but it makes for a faster setup. They withstand wind fantastic, but really quick. That's really been our goal, is to create tents that set up in under 60 seconds. So really our fold-out models are 60 seconds. Our hardtop models are 30 seconds, and even our Evolution is really, it's a 10-second setup. So, you know, we're really excited for that. The other thing is that we manufacture our adventure trailer, our Overlander trailer, right here in Bend, Oregon. So we use a lot of local companies, local fabricators. So we're really excited about that, to have a made in the USA product. And we've got a few changes and tweaks and things that we're doing to make it even more appealing for customers. So stay tuned for that.
Currently, I'm here at the last Blockbuster, pretty sure United States, here in Bend, Oregon. It's pretty neat. I remember coming to Blockbuster with my family, and we would rent movies, video games all the time. Definitely being here brings back memories, especially these yellow walls. I mean, like, where else can you physically pick up, you know, a DVD or something? Like, this is amazing. Before Netflix, Hulu, and all that stuff, we had Blockbuster. They were there for us. And this is pretty neat being in here. My mask on. I think this completes my visit for Blockbuster. Might have to get something. Currently here at Rack and Roll in Bend, Oregon, which is a automotive rack system shop. And while I was out on the trail, I had an accident with my Rhino Rack platform. One of the legs popped off and shifted my entire Pioneer platform along with my Freespirit Evo tent, Evolution tent. So it was literally hanging on by 3 legs. Well, actually 2, because one of them also came kind of out, but one of them was fully out, so my rack was literally shifted pretty bad. So the guys here at Rack and Roll are amazing, helping me fix this and figure out what's going on. They're gonna go ahead and set me straight, make sure it's mounted perfectly fine and straight. And once this is good to go, I'll be heading back to Freespirit and have them put the tent on today, or if not tomorrow morning. I'm really happy these guys are able to help me out this time. I didn't bring any tools with me, which wasn't a good idea. I was actually looking at my toolbox, and it would have been great to bring the tools out. And just like that, the tent is back on. Gonna go get some breakfast and then head home. And that should wrap up the trip for me. It's been fun being out here in Bend. I really like it a lot. Hopefully next time I'm back up here I can spend more time and it's not as cold, because it's 30 degrees right now and it's pretty cold. So hopefully it's not as cold when I come back, and I really want to explore more of Bend or just Oregon in general. It's so nice up here. Big shout out to Casey and Tim. You guys were awesome. Thank you so much for everything. The tent looks great, guys. Currently driving through Weed, California, where Steve's from. Gonna stop by for a few minutes to say hi and show him the truck. And from there I'll be bouncing home. Still have about a 4-hour drive home. So I should be actually getting in by 9 now. By the time I stop and get gas again and get something to eat. So get home, hop in a shower, and go night-night. That's my plan when I get home. I like driving a lot. It's relaxing, it's fun, I get to see new places. Now I see why truckers actually like this a lot.
You're playing in the woods.
Hey, big stud.
What's happening?
How you doing?
What you doing? Did you
Hi. What up, buddy? It's a GoPro.
It's fancy.
Technology. You want to hold it?
I like it. Let me see it. Oh, look at that.
Isn't that gorgeous?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Oh, look at
Tired?
that.
Look,
Oh.
right? You could see yourself too and me?
That's me.
Amazing.
So, made it out here with Steve. You want to grab a hat?
Yeah, I'm blind.
Let's grab a hat. He's going to grab a
I
hat.
haven't shaved my head.
Yeah, edit that out, Jeff.
You're sexy.
Oh, thanks, man.
How do you reach it? I know.
With,
I would struggle.
with a ladder and, you know, hopes.
Yeah. It's clean though.
Yeah, and then they did the dovetail cutting.
All this.
Yeah, to make it look more sexy and give me a better departure angle.
Yep. They hook up all the lights and everything for you?
Yeah, they hooked up all the lights.
What is this? Where's your hook?
So, next week when we have some free time, we're gonna go ahead and change it to synthetic.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, because that's not working, and we're gonna change to a new Fairlead as well, because that one's not working either.
You need to get a black one.
Yeah, so we're waiting on that to arrive.
The first one didn't work.
Should work. This was my first time opening something. so effortless.
That's awesome.
Yeah.